Hey everyone, this is Corey. Well, my basement again. So today I actually got something really cool, and I made it bigger. Why not? I can do it, so I did it. So this is a 50 millimeter German mortar, is what it was. That took me a minute there to remember. I scaled it up by 50%, so it was 150 scale. It prints in 3 pieces, so I will show you that now. That's the tail part of it, and I will have pictures probably up here going through if I can do it. I'm still trying to figure out my editing stuff, but it turned out really cool. Let's see if I can do a decent view. Just a little bit of stuff, but that's from like my nozzle and stuff. But the detail is awesome. So that's the tail part of it. Now I got the main base. Like I said, it's a lot bigger than what it should be, about 50%. It maxed out my printer volume actually. Couldn't go any higher. So this is a little detail there. I mean, it looks cool. So like I said, I'll have some pictures of this hopefully there. Oh yeah, there's one more piece. And then I'll put it together. This is the nose piece. And that's actually how it printed, so there's a lot of artifact stuff in here for the supports. I couldn't figure it out there for a minute. But for the support, so that could print hanging over. I mean, great detail. So, that's there. So let's put it together now. Pretty simple. It's got threads. Oh, and that's hollow too. Really nice. One piece. Now the tail. There you go. The reason why I printed this too was because I have something else in my basement that I was given that I thought was really cool, and I'm like, let me see something else. So I found this, and let me go get the other piece that made me find this. So hang on a second, you're gonna look at my basement. Oh, that thing's heavy. Is this big old thing. I'm not so sure what it is, and it weighs 60, 80 pounds, somewhere around there, especially the nose. Someone told me it was it's a practice shell for tanks. I don't know. If anyone can tell me, leave a comment, please. This thing's cool too. It's kind of badish down there, so I really can't read it quite yet. I gotta clean it up. I'm gonna put it here. Oh, there it goes. Okay. So, well, I guess I don't know what else to say. Yeah. So that's everything. There it is again. Really cool. I mean, I'll try to put a quick time lapse in, skipping through most of it. Oh, and by the way, this also took 2.5 days to print. This big. Well, actually, you know, each piece took 2.5 days total for all 3 pieces to be printed. Yeah. That was really cool printing this, and the biggest and longest thing I've ever printed on my machine. So if you can, please comment if you like this, or really give it a thumbs up. Subscribe, please. And I have a Patreon if you want to. Please pass some money over. No, don't even have to. I have that if you want to. If not, that's fine. I will have links, all the links down in the description for this, the Patreon, whatever else I can remember. I don't remember off the top of my head. So, please, subscribe. Please. Alright, have a good day, everyone.